Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Richest, and if you're here on my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video, you will be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my video. So welcome back. It's another day, another dollar. Your boy Richest is back in the building right now, giving you some good news, giving you some special news, updating you, entertaining you, and also educating you. So tenko subscribe twingire 40,000 subscribers. Okay, so today I've got a very special video, and the first thing that I'll talk about in the video for today is that Mumbayachi's studio has been burnt down to ashes. This story is not interesting. This story is disheartening because we weren't expecting such a thing to happen at this moment or at this time. So Mumbayachi had posted something on his Facebook page where he wrote, "I have been fighting battles ever since I was born, but this one breaks my heart to the core. More than the deportation. Yesterday, Majesty's, our studio was burnt to ashes by unknown cowards, and all our equipment and our CDs gone. But I can tell you, this one will not kill our spirits. See you all on 7th of November. If you're Mumbayachi, I posted pa page yakwe. Na fibipa, this, story is disheartening because, Mumbayachi has lost a lot of things, including Mercedes that he had, produced, including the equipments. Equipments in Zambia are very expensive. It's not easy to buy equipments, especially studio equipment in Zambia, because they are very expensive. Okay, so this is a big loss to the musician. And I like a certain part in the statement that Mumbayachi had posted on Facebook. Yeah, he had said something like, this won't, stop our spirits. Okay, so even if Yachitika, Mumbayachi will never stop singing. Right, Amba? Mumbayachi's studio Majesties was burnt by unknown people. That's what the statement is saying. It was burnt. It's not that, fire had started, itself. There are some people who had burnt the studio because they had felt, jealous about the progress of Mumbayachi. So some people were suggesting on Facebook that they contribute a certain amount to put Mumbayachi back on his feet. Manje shishwenga hala babwino bata kwati nemfa kwati bala donate bamoba mo pakwe bati Mumbayachi ambe okwimbana again. Okay, so the other news that I have for you for today is that Chandana K's manager, Jelayo Inc., warns fake imposters. Okay, Achta one ama imposters. So there are some people who pretend to be Vena Chandana K and have created fake pages on Facebook. These people are taking away other people's money. Like they are swindling people. They are taking other people's money, by faking themselves as if they are Vena Chandana K. Okay, they are faking it as if they are Vena Chandana K. Then, for example, muntu amonati alefo kuficha Vena Chandana K, atumina babene ama guys kanshi te Vena Chandana K varia nendarama mwamoneni. So Jelayo, the manager of Vena Chandana K, has warned all those imposters that they should desist from pretending to be Vena Chandana K. They should stop, impostering themselves as if they are Vena Chandana K. Okay, so the other news that I have for you for today is that Mutale Mwanza threatens to sue anyone that will be found talking about acquisition of her brand new Range Rover. Right, Amba? Okay, so mtale mwanza bali mupera Range Rover, katuisha wa mpere, but tuaishofa tibali mupera. So there are some people that are saying that maybe she had used mawezi ambi ukwe akwate Range Rover idia. So mtale mwanza, is it, the previous day was summoned by the police, the Zambia police, to answer some questions. That's where she had said that anyone found, talking about how she had acquired her brand new Range Rover, that person will be sued and might face the consequences. So mwamuleni, so apo mtani mwanze fe alanda bakwe bati bonse mwa badelanda peli moto gako muleke okulanda po if ya isendele moto gakwe fyakwishbo mwine mwamveni, otherwise umwaka mumaseyozi makamukaka. So the main news that I have for you for today is that Slap D and Maki 2 performing at a same show. It has never happened before. Of course, kwa leti tiko toto kwa timbi Maki 2 hako pa birthday ya kwa Slap D olo Slap D hako pa birthday ya kama Maki 2 filafina perform ako bati. Ukuperform pepali show imoine like performing, like working together. It has never happened before. So back in the days, there was a beef between Maki 2 and Slap D. It was not a beef of Shani. It was a beef to motivate them to work hard. My tamba na Slap D winner than that. Maki 2 gave me competition. Even Maki 2 himself had said, Slap D gave him competition. Manja Pa, they have started working together and they are even, producing songs, like they collaborate. Slap D, Maki 2, Fiafine Murimbo, like Tiliko, the song of H-Mark, where Slap D and Maki 2 were featured in, which is a good sign and which is a good thing for the music industry, because long time mteti wa kopa la wabombela wa XYZ nomba pabare bombela chapa mo. So as I was scrolling on social media, I had seen a certain post which was posted by someone, which is, showing, a certain event that will be held at Mika Convention Center on 27th of November. That's when the show will be held, where Slap D and Maki 2 are going to perform. It's not only Slap D and Maki 2, but could be like Bobby East, Nez Long and Yo Maps, even those guys will perform. And the amount of payment that the fee amount is 200 kwacha ordinary and 500 kwacha VIP. My tamba. So tafia kuchitika pwefi, but to my surprise na double kwa tafia kuchitika, which is a good sign for the music industry of Zambia, because a long time ago they wouldn't work together, like even collaborating on a song, it wasn't possible for such a thing to happen back in the days, but now they have started working together, and I hope in the future we will expect something bigger than this. Okay, so Slap D and Maki 2 are now going to perform at the same show. Hope mukayeko mwafefine mwatambako mwabasuppose akofefine, like if chali kubena chandana ke chali tokoma, people weren't expecting that show TI Sula Woodland Stadium TI Sula, but ukuyali Sula. So keep on supporting Zambian music. Mwapampa mwafefine kwa waka show mwatambako na akeleka show tukayatamba, tukayatamba tukamchite kwa update mwema viewers beso. Otherwise, this is a great thing. Slap D and Maki 2 performing at a same show. I think this show will be on fire. The show will be dope. Chika toko machika lila. So once mukese ma thousands, ma hundreds mukese. Okay, otherwise, this is the video that I had for you for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video, you will be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my video. Bye bye, it's your boy, Richest. Abura katati bru ni chanda ifya ukuba dazanda serani foturiko mukamba deranda ndetwa zimbraka ya panike kweza kwenta buchineke we back in the building for venete for banyoli ndetwa